the Compassionate Geek Podcast with Don Crawley. Now, here's Don.
Maybe you're familiar with Maslow's hierarchy of needs, in which psychologist Abraham Maslow theorized that human motivation is driven by the need to fulfill our needs at each of 5 different layers. The first, or bottom layer, concerns our physiological needs such as air, food, water, clothing, and shelter, to name a few. The remaining layers deal with secondary or higher level needs such as safety, social belonging, esteem, and self-actualization. If our physiological needs, our most fundamental of all needs, are not met, then the theory goes that the remaining 4 layers are irrelevant. I encourage you to learn more about Maslow's hierarchy by searching for it on the internet. I created Crawley's hierarchy of IT needs to help prioritize IT services within an organization. It's a theory, and I welcome your comments. The bottom, or most fundamental layer, is the usefulness layer. Before we begin a project, write code, or implement a service, we have to ask if what we are about to do is useful. Will it solve a human problem? If it will not solve a human problem, then you should ask yourself, why are you doing it? The next layer, the second from the bottom, is the physical layer, much like the physical layer in the OSI reference model. This layer deals with whether the application, the service, or the device actually works. When you turn it on, does it do what is expected, and is it reliable? Will it do the same thing over and over again without failing? If it doesn't work, then the upper layers don't matter. Third from the bottom is the understandability layer. This layer deals with whether an end user can understand how to use the application, the service, or the device. Is it easily understood by the people who will need to use it, and is it designed in such a way that an end user can't mess it up? If the user can't understand it, he or she probably won't use it. Next is the transparency layer. The transparency layer concerns the invisibility of IT to the end user. In the same way that a driver doesn't need to understand fuel mixture ratios and compression in order to drive a car, an end user should be able to simply perform her or his job without giving the underlying IT systems any thought. Self-driving cars will be an example of technology operating at the transparent layer. The top layer is the anticipation layer. In the anticipation layer, artificial intelligence is used to anticipate the needs of the end user. In this layer, systems and applications provide services to the user before the user is even aware of the need for the service. In a perfect implementation of the anticipation layer, the system provides the service to the end users before they realize they need it, and it's done transparently, so the end users are not even aware of it. Like Maslow's hierarchy, Crawley's hierarchy of IT needs is purely theoretical. I designed it to make you think about priorities when designing systems, when upgrading systems, and when interacting with end users.
For more ideas on how to improve customer service and communication, download Don's free ebook, The 5 Principles of IT Customer Service Success, at www.doncrawley.com/free-book. For more information about scheduling Don as a speaker for your next conference or meeting, visit www.doncrawley.com/info.
Our jobs are about helping our end users work more productively, efficiently, and creatively.
Now, once again, here's Don.
Whether you're a help desk staffer, a DBA, a systems architect, or any other IT person, Crawley's hierarchy of IT needs should make you think about the systems you design or support and their relevance to the end user, and help you prioritize projects based on fulfilling a need and working for the ultimate customer, your end user. If you found this post helpful, please share it, give it a thumbs up, and leave a comment. I'm Don Crawley. What do you think?